Can I cook a frozen ham without thawing it first?
Hey there, cooking enthusiasts! Welcome to our video today where we'll be answering the question, can I cook a frozen ham without thawing it first? If you've ever found yourself in a rush or forgot to defrost your ham ahead of time, this video is for you. Let's dive right in.
Cooking a frozen ham.
When it comes to cooking a frozen ham, the answer is yes, you can cook a frozen ham without thawing it first. Cooking a frozen ham is a convenient option if you're short on time or simply forgot to defrost it. However, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind to ensure that your ham cooks evenly and reaches a safe internal temperature.
Adjusting cooking time and temperature.
Since a frozen ham will take longer to cook compared to a thawed ham, it's crucial to adjust the cooking time and temperature accordingly. It's recommended to increase the cooking time by about 50% when cooking a frozen ham. This means you'll need to allocate more time for the ham to reach the desired internal temperature. Additionally, it's essential to lower the oven temperature when cooking a frozen ham. This will help prevent the exterior of the ham from overcooking while the center thaws and cooks. A good rule of thumb is to reduce the oven temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius from the recipe's recommended temperature for a thawed ham.
Monitoring internal temperature.
To ensure that your frozen ham is thoroughly cooked and safe to eat, it's crucial to monitor the internal temperature using a reliable meat thermometer. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, recommends that a fully cooked ham reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Insert the meat thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, avoiding contact with bone or fat. When the ham reaches the recommended internal temperature, it's safe to remove it from the oven. Keep in mind that the cooking time may vary depending on the size and type of ham, so using a thermometer is the best way to determine when it's done. In conclusion, you can indeed cook a frozen ham without thawing it first. Just remember to adjust the cooking time and temperature, allowing for additional cooking time and lowering the oven temperature. Use a meat thermometer to monitor the internal temperature and ensure that it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, for a fully cooked ham. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!